Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm spending Memorial Day here in the US at a massive air show, celebrating heroes who served and watching some insane action in the sky. If you are new here, there are 3 important rules to the channel. The rule number 1 is like this video, and the rule number 2, share it with your friends and family, and most importantly, rule number 3, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's get into it. So guys, I'm going to give the axe a try and then hopefully I win. Maybe I'll do that.
Okay. Thank you so much for playing. Take care. Have a good
Alright.
When it's midnight, keeping it tight. If a nigga wanna go to a war, it can get dark, but we stay bright. Coming like a night, it's on sight. If I touch my speed, niggas round there wanna disagree. When it's clear that I'm speaking facts. Man like me, you know I'm proactive. Never gonna stop till I see the big man's on flats.
Hop on the front door, it's like midnight. Don't lose your grip, cause you might fall out again. Off right way, need for speed. I'm not switching the lane. Pick up the pace, go like that, go back to the base.
I've heard a lot, yeah, but still something that I'm quite interested in. I mean, sometimes when you get people who are actively or maybe has been in the service, you ask them, they tell you more than maybe a regular person, right? So that's why it's most important for me to find out more. At least I'm here for a short day, but I think this is really a good time because I get to see what really happens on Memorial Day or days leading up to it. Yeah, so
it's all about supporting the Constitution. The Constitution means a lot. It gives us rights that we hope no one will take away, no matter who's in charge of the country. You don't want to lose your rights that you have. So it's a non-political thing. It's something that people have to remember. You know, you have to remember. You can't turn around and say, well, you know what, this doesn't matter anymore.
It is very important for the people who fought.
And not just for our country, but for the rest of the world also.
Exactly.
Well, today is just Sunday. Tomorrow is the actual holiday. Freedom ain't free. That all these people even died. All right. We also have November 11th, Veterans Day. At least they lived on that one here. But just whatever they gave, just so we can do this.
Right.
And you're gonna see America's military might. All right.
Yeah, at least I get to see the jets, you know.
Fifth generation, not just any jet, F-35.
Right.
And 2 different kinds.
Okay.
All right. The Marines and the Navies. The Air Force is in here. Well, with the Thunderbirds, the F-16. But they also have an F-35 for the Air Force. Right. But that's not here.
Here on Thursday.
This one here on Thursday?
Yeah, we're probably gonna take it out today.
All right, because I was thinking it's maybe a dummy one, maybe just for a show.
No, this is
an actual one.
legit.
Right.
I fly this thing every week.
You fly? Oh, that's so cool, and it still looks very brand new.
Blackboard. That's Blackboard. Wow.
You're in the thing I love.
Wow.
The famous Blackwell.
Yes, it's
Right,
the
the
famous
famous
Blackboard.
Blackboard. Yes.
honor our veterans and all our war heroes and my father that
but it's a great dedication to the men and women that fought for our country and still do.
That's good. And how has the day been so far? Are you enjoying it?
It's perfect. Wasn't too bad parking, and it's a perfect day for a military celebration.
That's that right. Thank you.
Welcome to America.
Hello, fly chick coming through. Nice to meet ya, glad you came too. Like your style and you know you got moves. You spit game and you know you spit smooth. Glad you came, this bitch should come and stay. I need your loving like water in the bay. Let's walk down the aisle, make a baby. I ain't been in love like this somewhat lately. Step into the room with the crown on top. Confident, dripping, you will never stop. Baby, where I go, got a bound when I'm the queen. Real royalty when I step into the scene. A boss from birth, ain't no need to pretend. Haters gon' talk, but still hating in the end. No need for approval to find my own brain. Success is my language, I speak it unchained. A boss from birth, ain't no need to pretend. Haters gon' talk, but still hating in the end. No need for approval to find my own brain. Success is my language, I speak it unchained. Confidence, self-love be defined. I'm the blueprint, you know where we're fine. The boss in the game, ain't nobody like me. If you're looking for the sauce, I got the recipe. Swag is so fierce, it's a language I speak. Unmatched confidence, my power, my peak. No crown needed. My presence, it reigns in the world of swag. I break the change with each step I take. I redefine cool. Others try to mimic, but I'm the true jewel. In the world of followers, I lead the show. Confidence, swag, now watch me go. Top notch attitude, haters in my rear view. I'm the star, got them all looking as I break through. With every move, you know I own the spotlight. Confidence on fleek, shining bright every night. That's right. You'll believe the hype. You better than me, you know that ain't right. Clocked in, your shit done.
Is that heavy? I'm not kidding. It's heavy.
Yeah.
And how many people need to carry this? Is it one person?
Yeah, one person. That's a cutoff.
You've got heavy gear. This is not light. I've always been thinking really light, but then super heavy. And that one, always wanted to try that one.
Oh yeah?
Is it heavy too?
That one is, but that's not like our usual vest. Like our usual vest, feel it right here. It's not as heavy. That's like the heavy duty one for like rifle rounds.
Oh my God!
No problem. Thank you.
Thank you. Alright, I got a couple.
That's really heavy. I mean, having all of these on one person.
Oh, dude, if you have to wear all this, yeah, you're not moving fast. Definitely. No problem.
Right. Okay. All right. Thank you, man.
No problem, man. Have a good one.
Oh, man. 30, 31, 32, 33. All right. That was fantastic. Good form, too. That was solid.
It's just a wonderful day. Everybody at peace.
Yeah, that's all we have to be asking for. Yeah.
What could be better? Nobody cares about politics today.
Nothing at all. It's
Nobody
about
cares about anything. Just have a good day.
being American.
Yeah.
Good afternoon,
Right,
ladies and gentlemen.
guys, that's a wrap on the Memorial Day Air Show. What a day has been. Jets tearing through the sky, powerful tributes, and a reminder of the real meaning behind the holiday. If you enjoyed the video, remember there are 3 rules. Like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more interesting content. Drop a comment and let me know how you spent your Memorial Day. Until next time, you take care.